Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you guys how to properly adjust those leaves on two sides of the table if you have a adapter that looks like this. So this is seen in some of the furnitures. It's a adapter that's called Water of Wabash. So basically this adapter holds the leaf in place, and if I need to take it off, I just do this, and this mechanism kind of folds away and then folds the table like that. And if you need to put the leaf back up, you just do this and it automatically locks into place. So this thing needs to be periodically adjusted, otherwise your table is gonna be sagging on the two sides, and it's not gonna look very good on those tables with leaves. Okay, so it's actually really easy to adjust, but before you adjust this, make sure you fix all the loose screws. So over here, as you can see, I already replaced two of those wood screws. The table, as you use it, it gets loose, the screws. So you need to tighten all the other screws first and replace any screws that's already stripped as necessary before you can adjust the bracket over here. Okay, so what you need to do to adjust those brackets are actually super simple. There are only 3 screws that you need to lose depending on your bracket. If your bracket doesn't have one of those release latches, then it's pretty much just still 3 screws. So you adjust this screw on the two sides of the bracket, and then this one actually is have a like a turning mechanism over here. So this is actually what determines whether your table is gonna sag or not. So basically what you're gonna do is unscrew, just not unscrew but lightly unscrew those 2 screws, still keep them in place, and then unscrew this screw over here, also lightly. So let me do that. It's really hard for me to do with one hand. I'm gonna try to put my phone down on the ground, and hopefully it's still gonna record. You're gonna adjust this one by loosening it. And once you have this loosened, you can see this little piece actually turns, and this is the secret on getting it fully aligned and like really pushed flat against the centerpiece. Basically, you align the thing and then you push it until it reaches a point where it's not turnable. And once it's over there, you're gonna tighten this and then tighten this. Still a little free play, so keep tightening, keep adjusting until you reach that place, okay?